Hi y'all! I'm waiting at ATVRacer's work. He's going to get out in about 15 minutes. It's actually about 4:15 and he gets out about 4:30, but it starts getting dark about 4:25. So by the time we are looking for this letterbox, it will be after dusk. And one thing you should know is ATVRacer is not a fan of getting his picture taken or being on video. So you'll see his shadow and you'll see him looking for the box, but he's a little shy when it comes to video and photography. So enjoy. We'll see you next time in a few minutes. We'll see you when it will be dark. It's nighttime and it's not that cold, but we're doing an after work cache. And we're heading down, we're in a cemetery. Always good to do cemeteries at dusk. ATVRacer's here with me, but he's already gone to look for the box. And I'm headed down to hopefully find it with him. And we'll be with you in just a second. So here's the clue. We're headed down a brick walk. And you can see there's a statue at the end. That we're looking for the box underneath a shrub. Whoop. It says nestled at the base under the cedar to the left.
Is this cedar?
Yep, that's cedar. It's arborvitae. I'm very particular about our trees. Oh, did you look on this side? Babe. Oh, wet. I think I need both hands, so I'm going to put the phone down for just a second. Found it? It's right here. All right, here it is. We're gonna head back to the car. The car's up there. And stamp in. Hi y'all, we're back at the car. Thank you. ATVRacer and I usually have a little routine when we're stamping up together. He's gonna stamp into the logbook and I'm gonna stamp the stamp. There's our signature stamp bead. And let's see, looks like it's gray because it's an elephant. This box is Elphie the Elephant and it's by Mudfling and Fool. Pardon me while I get my stuff together here. So here's the stamp. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Thank you. My gray looks black. It's inking it up with a pen, marker. Maybe it's black. Looked gray. Thank you. And here is the image. There it is. It's a really dark gray. Looked black, but it is a dark gray. Oh, and the envelope. I'm going to put it back together. Scott's going to return it to where he found it. And we have done, there you go, thank you. We've done a night box for you, an after work box in the dark. It's only 4:45 right now and it's dark. So have a great letterboxing day.